Hello, my name is Gabriel Somarriba. My student code is 19110. I am from the tutors group, and tonight I want to talk to you about agriculture. First of all, what is this? Well, let me tell you that agriculture is the science, art, or occupation concerned with cultivating land, raising crops and feeding, breeding and raising livestock. Almost everything that we do in our daily lives is related to agriculture. Every time we eat, when we drink some tea or coffee, even in what we wear, there is agriculture. After this said, you may ask yourselves, why is agriculture so important for the humanity and why it affects the majority of our economic, political, and basic activities? For years, agriculture has been the base of everything in our lives and has been associated with the production of basic crops. But as the world changed, the agricultural activities became to be related with more and more occupations. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the life of an economy. It is the backbone of our economic system because it not only provides food and raw material, but also employment opportunities to a very large proportion of population. As you may know, the main occupation of our working population around the world is agriculture, and this is because it has been able to absorb the quickly growing population. Just think that everything that is produced in agriculture will be in one or other way sold because it is food and all the humanity needs food to live. For example, think about corn. Can you imagine how many products contain corn? Tortillas, cornflakes, chips, flour, and even oil contains corn. Also, as the main occupation, agriculture represents the number one income resource to the major part of the world because of the importation and exportation of products. As I said before, agriculture provides food for the humanity, but it does not only provide food for us, also for animals, cows, chickens, porks, etc. all eat from agriculture, and thanks to it is that today we have some cattle breeding farms and that we are able to buy some good quality meat. Another thing is that the things produced from agriculture are the number one raw material for our products like cotton, sugar, tobacco, oils, etc. Just imagine how many products can we get or sub-products can we get from agriculture. Well, let's put an example like tobacco. We plant the tobacco plants and then we make it pass through a process and then we get the tobacco and the cigarettes. And also oils. There are some plants that can produce oil. There is the corn, I think wheat can produce oil too. What I want to say is that there are a lot of things that you can get from agriculture. All the things we wear come from agriculture. All the things we eat every day come from agriculture. And last but not least, agriculture is the number one employment provider activity. Its rapid growth creates a proper atmosphere for general economic development of the countries and families. All around the world, and even in our countries and our region, agriculture provides the number one employment, provides the major quantity of employment. Let me put you an example. Just think in a pineapple plantation. How many people do you think that an engineer will need to develop a pineapple plantation? There is thousands or more people that can work in this. We need a lot of people to plant or we need a lot of people to plant and to get all the crops from the lands, then process it and then get the sub-products of it. There are a lot of things that we can do in agriculture, and that is why it is the number one employment provider activity. These were just some of the facts that I think that make agriculture so important for us. And that is why I invite you to think about agriculture in every activity that you possibly can, because in this way you will realize how important it is for you too. Thank you.